All new Fire HD 8 Kids Edition Tablet 2-pack, 8. This bundle contains 2 Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablets, 32 GB, one with a blue kid-proofed case and one with a pink kid-proofed case. Not a toy, a full-featured Fire HD 8 tablet with 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus, free time unlimited, a kid-proofed case with built-in stand, and 2-year worry-free guarantee versus items purchased separately. 2-year worry-free guarantee, if it breaks, return it and we'll replace it for free. Stream over Wi-Fi or view downloaded content on the go with 32 GB of internal storage and up to 12 hours of battery for reading, browsing the web, watching videos, and listening to music. Add a microSD card for up to 1 TB of additional storage. Now with USB-C for easier charging. Includes a USB-C cable and 5W power adapter in the box. Amazon Kids Plus includes thousands of Spanish language books, videos, apps, games, and Audible books. The included 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus gives your kids access to over 20,000 apps, games, books, videos, audiobooks, and educational content from PBS Kids, Nickelodeon, Disney, and more. Your subscription will then automatically renew every month starting at just $2.99 per month plus applicable tax. You may cancel at any time by visiting the Amazon parent dashboard or contacting customer service. Over 20 million kids and their parents have enjoyed the award-winning Amazon Kids Free Time service. Amazon Kids parental controls allow you to set educational goals, create time limits, and filter content.